Let's see together how to program the Memo AST1 Twilight astronomical time switch with the app. If you wish to control your Memo via the app, you need to download the Vemer Memo application from the store. Inside the Memo app, press the plus button on the home page to add a new device. Then select NFC technology as the connection method to the Memo AST1. Then, in the pop-up that appears, choose Connect. Now bring the smartphone close to the device, making sure to place the smartphone's NFC sensor against the display of the Memo AST1. Once synchronization between the Twilight switch and the smartphone has been completed successfully, the main page of the Memo AST1 will open in the app. Select the Settings option to modify the date and time, as well as the dawn and sunset position. Select dawn and sunset position, then latitude and longitude. A map with a marker will be displayed. Move around the map or search for the desired location. Then press Select this position. Then press the Save button to return to the previous page. Press the button to set the current date and time, and then select Right On to synchronize the device. Now bring the smartphone close to the Memo AST1 to apply the changes to the position and date and time. Now return to the device detail page in the application, and then select the Programs option to access the programming page. On the Programs page, press the plus button to start setting up a program for switch on at sunset, switch off during the night, switch on during the night, and switch off at dawn, with sunset delay and dawn advance. The following types of night program are available: switch on at sunset and switch off at dawn. In this case, no parameter will be requested. Off from sunset to dawn. In this case too, no parameter will be requested. Switch on at sunset, switch off during the night. Switch on during the night, switch off at dawn. Switch on at sunset, switch off during the night. Switch on during the night, switch off at dawn. Choose Channel 1 to continue programming, then select Advanced Weekly from the available options. Now select, from the proposed weekly options, the nights on which the load should be active. Now choose the desired program from those proposed. If the program with delays has been selected, now set the desired delay and advance minutes. On the next screen, it is possible to change the program name. Press the Save button. An overview of the programs set locally in the application will now be displayed, then press Synchronize. Now select Right On to write to the device identified by the serial number, then bring the smartphone close to the Memo AST1 to start synchronization of the set programs. Keep the smartphone resting against the device until the device detail page of the application is displayed. The configuration is now complete.